wonder, what should a natural skincare routine be? Or what does non-toxic skincare mean? In this video, I will answer the questions, what should a natural skincare routine be? And what does non-toxic skincare mean? Hey there, my friend! I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to dive into the world of natural skincare. You know, taking care of our skin is so important, and finding the right routine can make all the difference. So let's answer a couple of important questions together. First, what should a natural skincare routine be? Well, it's all about embracing products that are made with the best natural ingredients and free from harmful chemicals. And let me tell you, I've found a gem in the form of doTERRA's Verage skincare system. Verage is an exclusive collection of natural skincare products that nourish, hydrate, and reduce the visible signs of aging. It's like giving our skin a big, refreshing drink of water. Each product in the Verage system is carefully formulated with doTERRA essential oils, emollients, and plant extracts. These high-quality ingredients work together in harmony to promote healthy and youthful-looking complexion. When it comes to natural skincare routine, it's not just about what you put on your skin, but also what you avoid. That's where non-toxic skincare comes into play. Non-toxic skincare means using products that are free from harmful chemicals, artificial fragrances, and synthetic ingredients that can potentially irritate and damage our skin. With doTERRA's Verage skincare system, you can rest assured knowing that it's not only natural, but also non-toxic. It's carefully formulated to be free from harmful chemicals and instead harnesses the power of nature to nourish and protect our skin. You see, the Verage system is composed of true gifts from the earth. It contains nourishing plant extracts, pure and potent CPTG essential oils, and select natural ingredients. These components have been extensively researched and shown to promote youthful-looking skin. And the best part, the Verage system delivers visible results that you can see and feel naturally. So my friend, when it comes to a natural skincare routine, it's all about embracing products like doTERRA's Verage. It's about nourishing our skin with the best natural ingredients and avoiding harmful chemicals. By incorporating the Verage system into your routine, you're giving your skin care it deserves while promoting resilient and beautiful complexion. I hope this answers your questions and helps you on your journey to beautiful, healthy skin. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, you deserve to feel confident and radiant in your own skin.